Good morning. I'm Peter Milios from the Finance News Network. Stocks tumbled on Wednesday as investors cashed in some profits following the market's recent hot streak, and FedEx dragged the S&P 500 lower. Overall, the Dow Jones Industrial Average slid 1.27%. The Nasdaq Composite was lower by 1.5%. Both index ended at a 9-day advance, and they had their worst session since October. The S&P 500 declined 1.47%, marking its worst day since September. FedEx was the biggest laggard in the S&P 500, losing 12%. The package delivery giant issued a disappointing revenue outlook for the fiscal year and reported fiscal second quarter results that fell short of expectations on the top and the bottom lines. The Dow Jones Transportation Average, a price-weighted index of 20 stocks that include FedEx, fell more than 2%. Google parent Alphabet was among the best performers in the S&P 500, reaching a new 52-week high during the session. It gained 1.2%. The pullback comes after a robust session on Tuesday when the Dow and the Nasdaq Composite both registered 9 straight days of gains. Since the October 27 closing low and through Tuesday, the Dow Industrials climbed 15.9% and the S&P 500 jumped 15.8%. The Nasdaq Composite had gained 19.1%. All three major averages remain on pace for a winning December and a 2023 as investors look forward to proposed rate cuts from the Federal Reserve in the new year. The S&P 500 has risen 2.9% this month and 22% year to date. The Dow has added 3.2% in December and 11.9% in 2023. The Nasdaq Composite is up 3.9% on the month and 41% on the year, putting it on pace for its best year since 2020. Turning to US sectors, all closed lower overnight. Consumer staples was the worst performer, whilst communication services recorded the fewest losses. Looking ahead to the Australian landscape, the SPI futures are pointing to a 1% fall. This is the last morning video of the year till the 8th of January, but rest assured the note will still be posted every morning of the non-public holiday days. Have a happy and safe Merry Christmas and a good New Year. Thank you.